Hi everyone, Nina here. Thanks for joining me. I want to show you this amazing explosion box that I made for my kid Cal when he turned 10. And I was so quickly making it so it would be a surprise for him. So I didn't wanted them to see me while making it. So I did not have the time to record it. But I'm going to flip through everything that I made here, and if you guys tell me in the comments if you'd like me to make a detailed video to create another one with you guys, let me know and I can make it. So here I cut these with my Cricut machine, the 10 and the years awesome, 10 years awesome. And the theme for his birthday was aliens. So I created everything using the same color, and this I'm going to link down below the a collection, the paper collection kit that I used, so you can check it. I'll link everything down below. So I used this paper collection that has aliens and space, but I didn't have this word in this size that I wanted, so I had to use my Cricut machine and cut it. I made the box also using a template that I linked down below on my Cricut machine. Then when you open the box, this thing will pop. It stayed for so long cut, that's why it didn't pop quickly. So I put all the pictures on the first layer. This is the first layer here, it's a first box, and this is another layer, and then the box itself. So on this layer I put all pictures of him. He was I wanted to make 10 years of awesomeness, so I made pictures from all his 10 years. So his birthdays, special moments. So this when he was born, this when he was one, his birthday when it wasn't his birthday when he was one, and this was his first day at school. This was his favorite costume when he was 5, and so on. And then I printed more pictures that then I thought, where can I put these pictures? Already full over here. So I made this little booklet. It has more pictures for him, and I make these like tabs so you can flip using these tabs. I don't know if you can see it. And this is 9 years old, this is 9.5, and then at the end of the booklet I have an empty space where I was able to put for him a little note. And I started decorating everything with the same theme. Stars, aliens, should be oriented this way. And also I put for him cut some tissue paper, and I put for him I don't know what it is, he must be having it somewhere, a keychain that has an alien spaceship and engraved the word "I want to believe." It was so funny, and I thought he would love it. Over here I made a little book pocket. It also will be in the template that I linked down below. And over here I put some tags. I made him couple tags, and I put this eyelets. Here it says "We all love you," and here says "Reach for the stars," and says "Dream big." This is all. This frame also comes with the paper pack. And over here I made this pocket, and I made this like accordion sort of a booklet that has all the cakes from all his birthday. When he was 0, when he was 1, when he was 2, when he was 3 and 4, all the themes and the cakes from his birthday. Every birthday, every cake until his 9th birthday. We only had cupcakes because we didn't want to share the cake. It was the COVID, so we just made cupcakes, individual servings. And it goes right here. So and here I put some aliens for him. Also some over here, and over here on the when you close it, you just put these two corner flaps here, and these 2 corner flaps inside, and you just close it. And on the outside I put for him some aliens, and I cut before sticking it. I did cut the alien. I marked where I need to cut, and then I cut it, and then I stick part here and part on the bottom, so you know how it is oriented, because when you open inside it has an orientation. All the photos are looking this way. So this is it, guys. Thanks so much for joining me today. Please let me know if you want in the comments below if you want me to make a video of the detailed one, so I can show you how I make the booklet, how I made the template, and how I cut all the photos and made this pocket and the cake accordion. Just let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.